Hello and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. And we are at the fifth Monday of December. Can you believe it? The last Monday of the year, just a couple of days left. And this is a little interlude opportunity for us to do something a little special, a little fun, very light. We've already put in our 4 weeks for the month, so this one is just a little extra bonus. And I won't spoil the surprise. I'm going to send it over to Victoria to tell you what we've got in store for our compass to let you know what we plan. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 5. These weeks are so much fun because it gives us an opportunity to let down our hair, do something a little bit more casual and fun, rather than following the more prescriptive nature of the modules that we've taught in the past. So for my compass, the thing that I want to do with you when we start our work, we put our pencils on the page tomorrow, is I want to talk a little bit about my discovery writers, because I've gotten several questions over the course of the month about what does it look like as a discovery writer if I'm not super into plotting and all of this feels a little constricting. So I'm going to talk to you guys. And then I also want to talk to some of my new writers who have asked questions about how do I develop this story? We've talked about zero drafting and we've gone over stitching scenes and sequels into chapters. So I'm just going to give you a couple of tidbit exercises that hopefully are going to help push you down that road a little further so that you can get the words on the page and start to develop that story that you're burning to tell. So come back tomorrow because that's where we're headed. We're going to get you started on a good foot for the new year and get you doing some writing. With that, I will send it back over to Kathleen.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. Well, my segment will fit right in absolutely perfectly because mine is a little bit of fun, and you know I'm the character person, and that means that it has to be about what the characters are thinking, what they're struggling with, what they're going through. And what we're going to do for this fun segment is we're going to put two characters together, and we're going to watch some sparks fly when you have two characters with different profiles and maybe they mix it up a bit. So that will give you an opportunity. If you are a discovery writer, like Victoria said, just put those two characters together and watch what they do. And just the fact that you thought about their character traits and where they were on the character profile diagram will set you up for letting them just go at it, and you can just discover what they say to one another. And if you're a beginning writer, this will give you an opportunity to picture a dialogue. Just practice writing a dialogue. Dialogues are one of the things that really spark a story, but they can sometimes be hard to learn how to write. That's why Victoria tells you to go sit in a cafe and listen to dialogue and make notes of dialogue and be aware of dialogue so you can capture it so that you get the feeling for how dialogue takes place. Well, you're going to get a chance, since you have two characters with two different character profiles talking to one another. You're not starting from a blank page. You're starting from one mind and another mind, and you let them talk. And then you just get to listen like the pantsers do and write down what you hear as though you were sitting in a cafe listening to these two people talk. Well, no more. The rest of it we'll save for tomorrow when we do the math. Anything further, Victoria?
Nope, this is going to be fun. We'll just have a good time. We'll do some freewheeling fun exercises and hopefully get some things written. So I can't wait to start tomorrow.
Okay, see you then. Bye-bye.